Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nadila Beatrice, NPM 2004-10-2007. Here I will tell you about my family. I live with my father, mother, and younger brother. My father is quieter than my mother, but he is very caring. My mother is more concerned than my father because she wants us to be safe and healthy. My younger brother is the most cheerful and more talented at playing football. We love and support each other. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.